This is kind of embarrassing. All this junk. I should really get that motor stand out from over there. Right there. We will see. Crap, some of my teak or mahogany fell down. Oh, nuts. Okay. Extraction is complete. Almost done. Okay, we gotta do some rearranging here to work on our Duracraft project, which is way back over there. Quiet kid. This little guy is going to a new home Saturday. 1971 Johnson ski horse. She's in kind of rough shape, but you know, it is solid. And last I checked, oh yeah, the motor turns over nice. I did spray some oil in there a few years ago. Should probably do it again. I've got the track somewhere. I gotta find the flap. I gotta find it for the guy. And here we have the John Deere. I haven't made any progress on that. This parts machine. Eventually going to be a rat sled. This monstrosity I gotta work on. I found these two the other day. I should say I bought them. This one was an expensive deal because of the bag, but they both need some work. Those are going to be future videos. This one is cool as heck. Sorry about the wind. It's not a real valuable mower, but it has a plastic catcher, which I thought was unique. Again, needs a little bit of work, but I think it's cool as heck. That's here for parts. This I gotta redo. This tractor's probably gotta go to the junkyard. I might get the engine off of it if it still rolls, but I got too much crap. Maybe see if the deck will fit onto that one. That's an idea. It's similar. So we gotta start moving some stuff around because I want to get the boat over here. And it's supposed to rain, so... I don't like it right here. Ow. Stick that over here. Yeah, it's looking a little better out here. I'm boring you up with the lights today because we have a bit of an issue here. We are actually in the shop. A little messier than it was, but anyhow, one of the lights is burnt out. However, and don't let that little black spot at the end fool you, because this bulb doesn't work either. And this is a brand new one. So the ballast is probably going, or one of the two is gone. You can, I don't know how well you can see, but the light is flickering a little bit. Probably can't see it at all. So what we're gonna do, I got two new fixtures here. Unfortunately, they are the smaller bulbs, like this guy right here. And unfortunately, because I can't use the bigger ones I just bought earlier today. So we're gonna put two new lights up and see if that fixes our problem here. Let's get unboxing. I chose these two fixtures. I got them from Menards. Not because they are Performance Plus, or that they have the little wings on the side to project the light down. Well, that was part of the reason. But let's go over here. I got these because of that. These have called what's I believe zero ballast or whatever. They work in the cold. Also, that's what this light here is. It's a zero ballast. Works in the cold. So you can come out here and turn on your light in the shop, and you won't have to wait for it to warm up. And this monster here is burnt out. I have to get another one, but that's later. I don't like that light to begin with. So let's open these guys up, see what we're up against. Alright, the best place to start is, well, traditionally at the beginning. So let's get up here and get this big guy out. According to my dad, this light was hanging in my grandfather's house, probably in the basement where he did his sign painting, and for whatever reason Dad felt the need to bring it over here, so he did, probably when he was cleaning out the house. And I guess that would have been 94, no, 93, because I would have been 4 years old, but anyways, beside the point. So who knows how long it was hanging there before here. So we're thinking this fixture is probably 40 years old, at least, because we've been here for 30. So, oh well, everything must come to an end at some point. And I think I made a tactical error. Oh, God, it's nasty up here. Man, these are heavy. Holy crap. Oh. I'll get the bulbs out later. Oh, it's dark in here. Ouch. It's pinching my toe. And it hurts. Man, that's heavy. Oh. Now, what I want to do is I'd like to have some light over here. Whoa. So I'm going to put one light, I don't know if in that, whatchamacallit, to there. No, these are 4 foot, they won't go that far. Whoa. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are what, 12 inches apart? Roughly, they should be. So put one, let's say starting here, going to there, because I want to have them crossways. You know, the other way. Let's get it open and see what we're dealing with over here. Anyways, here's this old light. I can't read what any of that says, but so there it be. Unfortunately, these aren't the LED fixtures. I'm not made of money. They're a heck of a lot better. I'm going to have to do a little bit of work with the one on the right just to get it to hang a little bit better, but it's a heck of a lot better here. So, alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.